Man, you got a whole collection of Godzilla. What do you have in the comics? Looking one giant mug? Just weird. Did you take that girl piece that was there? Oh man, I like Godzilla. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, where's King Kong's head?
I'm still digging out.
Oh, and Godzilla's missing part of the tail.
And Godzilla's tail.
Yeah.
I have them both.
What are you asking for them?
I haven't found them yet. I'm gonna do 50 bucks on Godzilla, probably 30 bucks on King Kong.
What year is it? Do you know what year that's from?
I don't. You can check it out.
Is that gonna come apart if I pick them up?
No. The tail does come apart right about here, I think.
Gotcha. 2014. That's a big piece.
Yeah.
That'd be cool to put in your man cave. I was going to buy this Godzilla, but he could not find the tail, so I decided to pass. What's this?
30 bucks.
Nude beer? What? That's interesting. I love that radio thing right here.
Yeah.
Man, there's more Godzillas.
There's the ones with the Bakelite. You know. West Germany.
What do you have on these individual ones over here? Man, you got a whole collection of Godzilla. Are you a big Godzilla fan, or
No,
you just picked up a collection of it?
These ones I think I'm gonna do 20 bucks a piece on.
$20 a piece.
And I have the boxes for them too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been fun just getting them all put back together.
Yeah.
For some reason.
Their tails are always detached.
Oh, they do?
A lot of people detach them because we're going to go to ship them or store them. But,
oh, right.
Yeah, because they're so big.
Yeah, I just thought the kid had a fetish with ripping kids' tails off.
Maybe. You never know. This is cool. 1997. How much is the hat?
40 bucks.
Cool hat. Excuse me, sir. Do you mind if I step aside here? Look at these comics. What do you have in the comics?
On all of them?
Yeah, what do you...
Because you got a little thing going on here, and you got this stuff going on. I marked individually. But the only one I didn't mark individually is the top one. I had some sleeves that I haven't even gone through this, to be quite honest with you.
Gotcha.
That's why I had sleeves, and he grabbed a bunch of stuff out of my garage, and unbeknownst to me, I didn't know what he grabbed. There's 61 altogether,
Yeah.
at least there was. Count them again now, though, because I don't trust that figure.
Oh.
I do 100 on the box.
100 on the box.
That. Not with these, though. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll throw.
I'm getting the whole box, huh?
I shouldn't, but because I haven't even got a chance to mark them. But I'll go ahead and do it because he said, Burly boys. I need
Would you do
boys.
80?
Huh?
Would you do 80 for the box?
Oh, are you kidding me? Sight unseen like that? Shit. I'll be honest with you. I wouldn't have brought him out in the first place.
Okay.
He grabbed the box, and I said, Chuck, I haven't even gone through that. I said I had them all ready to go to do it, and I had them out in my garage, and he just grabbed the box and threw it in the car. I didn't know it. So
I gotcha.
I'm in the car going up. I said, what all did you grab? I said, I thought stuff I thought I could sell and this and that. Because I don't come out here.
Yeah.
Once every 2 or 3 years, I'll come out here.
Gotcha.
So he talks me into it and grabs a bunch of my shit to incentivize me. And then he drove to incentivize me further, you know.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
I'll think about it, man. Thank you, though.
All right, you got it. Hey, I'll incentivize you. 90 bucks.
Yeah, just there's someone missing the covers on them, and there's condition. I mean, I would pay 80 if you want to do 80, but
Take them for 80.
all right.
Jesus. Should have said 85 just to squirrel you around. I want to
Mess
see you
around
hurry
me?
up, turn around, and do a pivot.
Yeah. You should buy a bunch of dolls. A grown ass man buying a bunch of dolls, and that's 80 shit.
What'd you buy? Do you get those comics?
Yeah.
You're welcome, Rod.
These are cool.
That's what I was just looking at. 95 bucks, but
From the 93,
yeah.
91.
I was trying to figure out
Those
what
are
they go for.
93.
Oh, okay. How much are the
You got
cards?
wax backs.
5 apiece.
5 apiece. Oh, here's Ozzy. That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing today?
Good.
How much are the paperweights? Oh, is that the price on the bottom of these?
This table is $10.
Oh, $10.
Yeah.
Whose stuff is this? Your stuff? What is this? What do like these things go for? Like the pins and stuff like that. Like, how much are like the watches and stuff?
What's that?
Yeah, are these all different prices?
Just get you a couple of them, I can give you a price on them.
Like how much is that one?
Like on this one, what's that?
Yeah.
Disney watch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could probably do like $3 on that.
Okay, like these like Batman ones.
Yeah, I mean, I could do a package deal better, cheaper.
Okay. All right. Let me
Just pick a couple of them out. I can give you
All right.
$2.
All right.
You seen me last one?
I don't think so.
You bought some costumes there?
When he told me to make a bundle, I was trying to find anything that I thought that may have value to throw in there so I can get it super cheap. This box had a whole section of vintage McDonald's pins, so I thought I could get those and bundle them up and put on eBay later on. Oh, that is. I want you guys to remember this item right here because it's about to get a little weird and interesting. Is that like a compact? What is it? It's an address book. Anything else?
You getting that?
I don't know. I'm putting together a little bundle. Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
It's not a, I mean, not a real,
That was all you, man.
but that guy came, he took a football thing away, wasn't it?
What? Hey. I mean, that's his stuff.
You know what you mean?
Yeah, the girl.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Well, just ask.
Did you take that girl piece that was there? The key,
Oh, yeah.
is that for sale or not for sale? Was it with the girl?
Oh
On the
yeah,
key?
the nudie thing.
I had a pile there of stuff that I was.
Yeah, I took it out.
Oh, are you keeping that?
Yeah, it goes for like 55.
Gotcha.
I gave it my dad and he put it back in there.
Gotcha.
I don't know if I'm gonna throw that sign in or something.
Okay.
That was.
The saw and then that pile on top there, stuff. I didn't know what you would have. There's pins. There's like I think 4 watches, bunch of yeah, that pin. And then you had like the I think that's like an address book and I think 4 or 5 watches.
This is like $30.
$30 for it all? Did you do 25 for it all?
Yeah,
30.
30.
I'd do 30. The guy stood there watching me make a pile. He kept adding stuff to the table, and then when I turned around to walk away, he started swiping things off the pile. What a weird situation. Why don't you just tell me, hey, this isn't for sale, instead of just grabbing items when my back is turned? I don't know, it could have been handled differently, but what are you gonna do? Not my items, they're his. So if you want to pull them away, you can pull them away. Let me know in the comments below, has that ever happened to you? Let's get back to the picking. How much is the radio?
10.
How much are the G.I. Joes?
They're 15 a piece.
15 a piece. have any more radios like this? I'll do $10 for it. How you doing today, man?
I'm doing fine. You?
Good, man. How much is the car? The Mustang?
$15.
15 bucks. That's a newer one, 2020. Yeah, I'll pass on it. Thank you, though.
Look at that thing. It's like a little troll.
Do we have the same size? Do we have the same size
got
nose?
the same nose, yeah. That is cool.
How much you asking for the troll? $5.
Yeah.
My own action figure.
You should do it.
I'll give you $5 for it, man. Just for. Alright. I'll give you $5 for it, man. He's just too weird not to buy.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's somewhat collectible. I think it's sweet. Denmark
Yeah,
somewhere.
$5, whatever. At this point, you know what I mean? Like, oh, I thought it was Crystal Lake, Crater Lake.
No, I got a bunch of records. I have no CDs.
All right, thank you.
It looks like this was on there, and
What is it here?
Dolly Parton, you're just looking for like rock
Salt?
records.
Mostly rock, yeah.
Oh, was it shaking? Was it shaking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Never seen it before. What do you have on the ornaments there?
On these, 5 of those.
5 on those, and then these ones. There's one individual.
5 for both.
5 for the pair. You got any more Disney stuff?
Yeah.
I see a Disney something right there with that thing.
$10.
What is that Disney thing right there on top? It's a book.
This stuff kind of gets to do a show of it.
What is this, baseball card kit? Jose Canseco? Just weird. Cool, but weird. What would you do for this lot of Disney stuff here? 15. Would you do 15 with the Jose Canseco?
You throw that in.
Ah, cool, man. Cool. Appreciate it. It's just a cool piece.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
I just like Jose Canseco was the man back in the day. Him and Mark McGuire, the Bash Brothers, like.
Yeah.
What is this? Pokemon giant mug.
The other guy just bought it.
Is this yours?
25.
25.
Yes, sir.
They good?
Yeah, for 25.
Yeah.
Back again, man. Good, man. What's that Beauty and the Beast thing?
It's a cup.
Oh, it's a cup. Another one like I got before. Another mug.
You want to become bikers? 150 if you take them both, 250.
What would you have on this stuff right here? What is that right there in the pieces on top there?
These are all, it's part of like a train.
Oh, the train set. Okay, gotcha. I thought it was something else. No problem. These 4 things.
15 on it.
15. I'll do the 15 for you. 15, man. Thanks again. Are you done putting stuff out now?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Sell off, you know.
Try to boot clear stuff out, huh?
I usually do like, I've done 35 units in 2 years.
Oh, wow. Is that new in the box?
Yeah, it's all new in the box.
What do you have on that?
Sony.
100 in the Sony? It's factory seal. Would you consider 50 for the Sony? What's the best you can do on it? 80?
Yeah, even used, they want over 100.
Yeah, I know they go about 100 used, so. All right, I'll give you 80, man. You've been fair with me all day, so. Appreciate you at least working me a little bit.
Okay, yeah, for sure, man.
I'm sure you're happy to get a big piece gone too, so.
Yeah.
All right, so I looked at the tape on this one. It is factory seal tape. Only reason why I bought it. Last one sold brand new for 250 bucks. So there's no new ones listed on eBay right now. So I think I can probably get between 250 and 300 for it. And I had an absolute blast picking with Papa Punching at the Webster Flea Market. One of my favorite places to go. It is the largest flea market in the state of Florida. Every time I go, I do get great deals. I do pay up for some items sometimes, but I always walk away with a car full of stuff, which is great. That one guy's table you guys saw me go to, I went to this table 3 separate times because he got there late and he was set up late. So he kept putting out some good stuff. All that Disney stuff is actually for future Whatnots. So if you guys aren't on Whatnot, give me a follow. Put a link down in the description down below here. You guys get 15 bucks just for signing up. That troll I got was super cool. I'll be listing that on eBay. What a weird day. I scored 2 sealed brand new vintage Sony items. You know, that first one I picked up, the little handheld, that was going to sell for over 100 bucks. I paid 10 bucks for that. And then I paid 80 bucks for this receiver. I should get around 250 bucks for it. So guys, thank you so much for all the support you guys keep showing me. The channel is growing tremendously. We're on the way to 20,000 subs. So please make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.